Hello, good morning, friends. Friends, we have almost about 170 indicators in the stock market. All the indicators have only one function, that is to give buy and sell signals. Whether you use Bollinger Band, you use RSI, you use stochastic, you use moving average, you move MACD, any indicator you take, the only purpose of indicators is to give buy and sell signals. Today, friends, we will deal with one stock, and also we will check the stock along with the Bollinger Band. Now you can see here, Bollinger Band is a volatility indicator. It gives short-term price movement. It gives overbought and oversold zones. I will explain all this. Band adjusts according to the volatility, price volatility. Bollinger Band can be used for intraday and swing trading. The middle line of Bollinger Band, this is the middle line of the Bollinger Band. This is simple moving average of 20, and this band, this band actually is, you can see, band above this middle line, this band and this band, this is standard deviation 2 from here to here and from here to here. So we have seen actually the Bollinger Band. The utility of Bollinger Band is best for intraday trade and for the swing trade. Now here if you see this, once again if you see this portion actually is of low volatility. That means when the price movement is very less, and this is when the volatility is very high. So now I will remove these for the purpose of this looks to be little overcrowding. Just a moment. Okay, friends, and then is the trend. Whenever we trade, we only look at one thing, that the price movement should be in the up direction, and the stock should necessarily be a strong stock, because a weak stock will always put you in the problem, and then you do not know when actually the price will go up and when you will make money. Just let me remove all these. Okay, now today what we are going to talk is about Zen Technology. Very recently, it has just about 10 days back, it has declared its numbers for Q1 2025. Friends, if you see here, quarter to quarter and year to year sales growth, EBIT growth and net profit margin growth. The sales growth was on Q and YOY was 78 and 91%. EBIT margin was 112. You see, that's fantastic, and 60%. Net profit was 24 and minus 9%. Now, since we are dealing in the short term, therefore I say this QOQ is the most important. However, it would have been excellent if this growth, year to year growth, was also positive. But since Zen Technology, as you know, is basically dealing with the government, so you can understand the issues with the government and the private companies. Now you see, the first of all, the stock is strong and the trend is up. So one thing is clear, when the trend is up, that means that we will 100% make money in this. Friends, as far as the textbooks are concerned, this actually is support line within the band. This is actually overbought zone, and this actually is oversold zone. So in a very ideal case, the buying actually will be here, or say in this case it will be here. Buying will be here and the selling will be here. This could be one strategy. So this is the buying price and this is the selling price. This could be one strategy. Second strategy could be the buying price is this, and the selling price is this. Within this, the third strategy could be the buying price is this, and you can take it as a 20 EMA and you can continue. But actually I don't think that 20 DMA is too long daily moving average. So the best actually according to the textbook is that this is, here you have buy, here you have sell. So here you have buy, here you have sell, and here you have buy, and similarly here you have just let me, this is okay, not fixing a well. This is the selling price, you can see here it has cut. This is the selling price and this is the buying price. Friends, since the share is in the uptrend, that is why you are seeing that the prices are going up, and that even 20 DMA also is going up. Therefore naturally the price also will go up. So this is the strategy as far as the understanding of Bollinger Band and the uptrend. As we have been talking earlier, our usual strategy is that first we see the trend of the stock. This is our usual strategy which we have been talking. First we have taken yearly chart, yearly weekly chart. We have seen the trend here. Trend is actually fantastic. It is, I think, the bigger arm of the wristwatch is at 10 minutes time. So it is likely to go up. Friends, well, before I go ahead, please like, share, subscribe the video, and I am really waiting for your comments. In my previous video, hardly 2 comments have come. You'll see each video takes about 3-4 hours to make, and sometimes even 24 hours. Anyway, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and those of you who want to have detailed view on Bollinger Band, you can visit my playlist and you will find Bollinger Band in Hindi and English. So coming back to Zen Technologies, you can see here the trend line actually is up. So this qualifies for our buy. Actually the buy signal was given at 1350 price, and yesterday it has closed at 1710. Weekly chart says enter, and let us see here as the daily charts. This is the daily chart of Zen Technologies. Yesterday the market actually collapsed, but Zen Technology, I don't think it really collapsed. Still the direction is in the up direction. Friends, but we need to really examine here what is the issue. The volume actually is coming down, which is indicating a weak trend, because price going up and volume coming down. This means that it is likely to fall. Price is likely to fall sometime in future. I do not know when the price will fall. Even RSI also is in the, so far the trend is flat, but it is in the overbought zone. So whenever anything is in the overbought zone, the price actually falls. I think the price is likely to be up in the next 1 week's time. So those of you who want to take the chance, they can buy some little quantity, whatever is your budget, buy just 50% of it and carry on along with the moving average of 2. The moment there is a cross like this, you need to come out. That is our standing understanding. So friends, today we have talked of Zen Technologies, and we have discussed the fundamentals, the momentum, the strategy with Zen Technologies, and also we have seen the Zen Technologies, the second strategy we have seen of the Zen Technologies on weekly charts, and with a moving average of 2 on the daily charts. Moving average of 2 is on daily and weekly chart. Both are saying you continue with Zen Technologies at present. As I have said just now, whenever there is a price cut, price falls down like this, cuts like this, the pink line come out. So friends, be with me. Together we will earn money in the share market, but nevertheless ask your broker or financial advisor definitely before buying or selling. So like, share and subscribe, And those of you who are keen in knowing the basic knowledge of share market, you can visit my playlist. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.